name's Laura and welcome back to my channel. As you will see by the title, today is an unboxing day and it's for the box of Pink Parcel. So Pink Parcel is a monthly period box and it's designed to basically give you everything you need at that time of the month, plus a little few extras just to make you feel a little bit happier. You can tailor what you have in your box to your needs. You can decide what brand you'd like to use and what product you'd like to use, whether you want to use tampons, whether you want to use towels, and the brands that you want to use. So I do find that quite good. You do also get a lot in your box. I will show you all of that in a moment, but what I want to do is just give you the boring information out of the way first. So Pink Parcel, as I said, is a period box. And it's a box that's had a little bit of issues lately. They've kind of trying to get themselves out of a bit of a funk, I think, really. They have had a few inconsistencies. Their boxes are, they basically have sent us an email saying that they've tried to compete with, say, Birchbox and Glossybox, you know, the sort of the well-known subscription boxes. And to do so, they're losing what they were all about. So they're trying to go back to their roots of being just a period box, giving you what you need and a little treat. So we've had all of this happening and a lot of people have left Pink Parcel, but I've kind of stayed with them to see what will happen. They've been a bit up and down, but you know, they're getting there. Then we had this email coming through saying that there's going to be updates, important updates to your Pink Parcel. So I've got my email in front of me and it basically just says that the payment process is going to be going out on the 2nd of every month. And that's the only payment date, which is fine. I'm not quite sure when it went out. I thought it went out at that time anyway. And it says that my monthly plan will decrease to £11 a month, but they'll start charging postage and the postage will be £2.50. So that will make it £13.50 a month. These can be amended to in your account from the 22nd of May. It then says the delivery dates will change to the 8th to the 28th of the month. If you're currently receiving your parcel between the 1st and the 7th of the month, you can pop onto your account to change your date, or we can update your delivery on your behalf. You can still log onto your account at any time to amend your delivery dates. So my assumption with that is that if you had it arranged to arrive within the first 7 days of the month, that can no longer be done. But I'm assuming that you can tailor it to arrive on any day between the 8th and the 28th. So it used to be that you could have it so that it would arrive the week or the day that, you know, you were due to have your period. But I can only assume that you can only have it to arrive within those days. That's my assumption. So that's what we've had as the amendments. So I went onto their website as if I was a new subscriber to see what the payment plans themselves were. There are 4 options. You can go monthly, 3 month, 6 month, 12 month. And it says that the monthly is £13.50 with free delivery. So I'm not sure if this is pre or allowing for June adjustments, because it says £13.50 with free delivery. But I'm going to be paying £13.50. That includes the delivery. So I'm not quite sure. I'm assuming that's the new layout. 3 months, but it has to be a one-off payment. You get your free delivery, you save £1 a month, and you get a one-off, and you have to do a one-off payment. 6 months is £65.46 a month. Free delivery. 1 month will be free, a one-off payment, and VIP extras. And then 12 months is £130.41. Free delivery, 2 months free, birthday treat, one-off payment, and VIP extras. So, you know, there are options for people. I personally will be doing the rolling payment because I don't want to pay out a large lump sum. And I think that a lot of people will probably choose that option. And I don't really know what these VIP extras are. But there you go. Okay, so I've just unzipped it. And let's see what we got. What's in this box? So when I open it up, you will literally see sort of the little bag, a box that says wants and a box that says musts. So I really do like this. I say this every month, but I really like these little bags. This says for now. They're packed with the products that you need, and you can see really jam-packed with all the products that you need. This is like for your heavier and your nighttime kind of needs. But I love the discretion of these bags, and like I said, I don't mind. I can put it in my car or have it in my bag and it's not obvious what it is. Then you have your musts, which are in a little box. And again, these are just kind of like your daily needs. So you get like little panty liners and stuff in here. So this is kind of like your sort of heavy duties, and this is your daily needs as such. Then you have the box we all want to see, which is the wants. So this box will always have, normally it will have like something sweet, a nice tea or coffee, and then a little treat. Okay, so this is the box. Okay, so let's have a look. The first thing that we've got is this from Cougar, You're So Vanilla Sugar and Vanilla Facial Scrub. So the brand Cougar is, see if we can get this to focus, just here. So this brand, I've only seen this brand before in my Pretty Obsessed boxes, and it's not a brand that I've heard of, and I hadn't heard of them when I had it in the Pretty Obsessed box, and I think I had like lip products, like a liquid lip maybe. So, oh, it smells nice. It's just a scrub. You can see it's quite a powdery scrub. Okay, just, it's quite a powdery scrub, but it feels nice. It just feels it's very sugary feeling. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of, sorry, lift my hands, kind of anything much holding it together, should I say. Just says it's a natural skin exfoliator, super antioxidant powers. Literally all it says. Oh, hear that crunch. Just says directions: use daily after cleansing wet face, then apply the scrub to entire face, avoiding the eye area, massage gently, rinse with cool or warm water. But that just literally feels like the scrub. You know, sometimes normally you can feel like something underneath it, do you know what I mean, like a balm or something, but that just feels like powder. But okay, cool. Okay, so this is the little face scrubber, the Daily Concept Your Facial Mini Scrubber with smart technology, travel size makeup remover, exfoliating face scrubber for all skin types. We have had this before because it says in here as a pocket to slide your fingers in for more control. The one I had didn't have the pocket in it. It just had like a weird little loop. Did we get it with Pink Parcel, or did we have it with maybe it was a glossy box or Look Fantastic? I don't think it was. It's quite tough on your face, but actually I found when I had a bit of a breakout, I'd use some nice facial washes and then use this, and it did work. I actually quite liked it. Once you've used it a couple of times, it loses its harshness, so that's not too bad. Teamed with that's quite good. And if I remember correctly, this had a value of something like £7. It's quite expensive. The next product is this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Nightcap Overnight Perfector. So it's Overnight Perfector, 30ml. It's obviously kind of like an overnight hair mask. Usage is to apply to damp or dry hair before bed, from roots to ends, comb through, leave in or wash out in the morning. Fast absorbing, pillow safe, use as often as needed. So I've never heard of this before. Living Proof. It's not something I'm aware of. Okay, so it's not sealed. It's just a white kind of cream. Smells nice. There's not really much more you can say about it, but I'd definitely give it a try. I love anything like this that gives your hair a good boost, so I'm okay with that. Okay, so the next product we've got is chocolate, turmeric, ginger and almond tea. As I said, you will always get a flavoured tea or a coffee of some sort. I don't drink tea, I'm not a tea drinker, but I don't mind trying flavoured teas. So these are okay as little tasters. It's a tea. The next product we have is this Be Kind to Yourself Milk Chocolate Bar by Choc on Choc. It's a very small little chocolate bar there. It's just milk chocolate. And that's, yeah, just a little chocolate bar. Okay, so the next thing that I've got is this. This is strange. What is this? It's Vitamasks So we know that Vitamasks is quite a sort of, it's a well-known brand for face masks, and it's normally they're quite expensive. Their masks are between £5 to £7. So this is a sleep-in mask, a pearl sleep-in mask. Does it say anything about it? Illuminator, and that's pretty much it. Overnight facial. Directions of use are to wash and cleanse your face in preparation of applying your mask. Use the mini spoon to mix the mask well before layering them on the face and neck. Apply the entire content of the mask onto your face and neck, and then gently pat the skin for maximum absorption. The mask will be absorbed by the skin while you sleep. For best results, use 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, that's interesting. I have never seen anything like that before. This is a really strange little thing, but the only thing that disappoints me about something like this is when it says use it for best results, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Well, you've got one in there, you know, so you're going to rush out and spend lots of money if you don't really know if they're any good. Can't open it. We're in. Okay, so I've just opened it and it is literally like this. Look, there's the little spoon. Just there. And then there's the mask. I'm going to turn it over. It's obviously in there. So yeah, different. Give it a try. Okay, so the last item that we have is this macacha. It's macacha Peace, which is a plant protein vanilla shake with holy basil and lavender. It's a food supplement with natural sweetener, protein, high in protein, raw and vegan. Protein, okay. I'm not really going to take this. So, but we've had something like that before, I'm pretty sure, from them, like a kind of a protein shake. It's not for me. I mean, you never know, I might try it, but let's see if I can find someone who actually wants that. It's not really my kind of thing. So let's sum this up. We've got the protein shake. We've got the sleep-in mask by Vitamasks. With the facial scrub, the little chocolate and tea. And then we have the face scrub and the overnight hair product. Do you know what? It's actually not too bad. So for me, this is quite a nice pamper box. So, you know, you've got your face product here so that you can give your face a nice scrub, especially when you do get breakouts, as we all do at that time of the month. A nice hair overnight mask. Again, I don't know if it's any good, but, you know, it's interesting. I have used this. I know these had mixed reviews. I know not everybody liked them, but I actually quite liked mine. So I'm okay with having another one of those. The mask is different. Try it. And then just these little extras. So, you know, overall, plus I've got all the supplies for the month. Is it okay? It's okay. It's okay. So it's one of those that I'm kind of reviewing monthly. That's why I won't commit to a 6-month or a 3-month, because it's a lot of money to pay up front if I'm not happy. I'd just rather pay my monthly payment, and then if I don't want to do it anymore, I can just cancel at any time. I like the convenience of having everything arrive, so I haven't got to go to the shop, I don't get caught out, and I can have supplies, and you do get a good amount of supplies. So, you know, the only thing is we don't know the value of what we've got. In fact, okay, what I've done is I've just gone online quickly to check my account, because sometimes they might tell you what's in your box, so you've got an idea of what the value is, but it doesn't tell me. It does tell me, however, that my monthly payment is £12.99, so you can see what they're doing. That's obviously including the postage, so my payments are going to be going up by 51p. So yeah, there you go. That's my box. What do you think? Do you think it's a good box? Do you think I should keep it going? Are you keeping it going? I don't know. I'm just playing it, you know, I'm playing it by ear. I'm doing it month by month, and I'm just seeing at the moment, you know, it's convenient, but we'll keep an eye on it. Yeah, as always, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please click subscribe. That would be a great. And as always, please have a great day.